You're posting on Instagram, then switching to LinkedIn, then Facebook, then trying to remember what you already posted on TikTok. Every platform is its own tab, its own login, its own habit to maintain. SocialBu says, what if one dashboard handled scheduling, AI content, analytics, and your whole team across 12 plus platforms? SocialBu is a social media management platform. Schedule, publish, analyze, and grow your presence across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, X, and more, all from one place. It's built to replace the separate scheduler, the separate analytics tool, and the separate AI writer you're probably juggling right now. On AppSumo, it's listed as an alternative to Buffer, Hootsuite, and Sprout Social, and it's sold here as a one-time lifetime deal, not a monthly subscription. If you're a social media manager, an agency juggling client accounts, a small business posting across platforms, or a creator who wants one dashboard instead of 5 browser tabs, this is worth a look. This review is for people who are tired of re-entering the same caption 5 times across 5 different apps. Scheduling. Compose and schedule posts for 12 plus networks from one place. Bulk import posts via CSV to queue up weeks of content without typing each one by hand. Recycle evergreen content so your best posts keep working long after you first publish them. Multi-brand management. Separate workspaces for each brand or client. Role-based permissions so team members only see what they need, and Google Drive integration to pull assets straight into your posts. AI tools built in, autocomplete, full post generation, turning one idea into several posts, an image generator, a caption generator, and a personal AI assistant for ideas on demand. And it plugs into an MCP server, meaning you can connect Claude, ChatGPT, or Cursor directly to SocialBu and manage your posting schedule in plain language. That's a real differentiator most competitors don't have yet. Beyond that, built-in analytics comparing results by network, content curation to find and share relevant posts, and keyword listening to track mentions and conversations in your niche. SocialBu was founded in 2019, based in Lahore, Pakistan, bootstrapped, 11 to 50 employees, still in growth stage. Founder Umar Khan built it after getting frustrated juggling multiple social tools and manual reporting himself. WordStream founder Larry Kim publicly recommends it for AI-powered content creation. On AppSumo itself, the one review so far sits at a perfect 5 tacos. A user says it replaced 2 separate tools, including one they'd bought specifically for LinkedIn carousels. 3 AppSumo tiers, all one-time payments. Tier 1, $49, 10 social accounts, 600 posts a month, 500 AI writer credits. Tier 2, $109, 25 accounts, 1,200 posts, 30 automations. Tier 3, $279, 75 accounts, 3,600 posts, 150 automations. Here's the catch. Automations are locked to 0 on the entry tier. If you want any automated workflows, you need at least Tier 2. And this AppSumo listing is brand new. Only one public review to judge it by so far, even though the main product itself has been running since 2019. The math is straightforward. Buffer, Hootsuite, and similar tools run you real money every single month. SocialBu's Tier 1 is a one-time $49 for 10 accounts and 600 posts monthly. That pays for itself in the first month compared to almost anything else in this category. The AI tools aren't bolted on as an afterthought either. Content generation, image generation, and captions are built into the actual posting workflow, not a separate app you have to tab back and forth to. Risk 1. 0 automations on the cheapest tier. Budget for Tier 2 if that matters to you. Risk 2. Only one AppSumo review exists right now, so you're trusting the main site's track record more than AppSumo-specific feedback. Risk 3. The free regular SocialBu.com plan is a subscription with a 7-day trial. The one-time price only exists through this AppSumo listing. SocialBu is a legitimate all-in-one pick if you're managing multiple social accounts or client brands and want scheduling, AI content, and analytics without a monthly bill. Skip Tier 1 if you need automations from day one. Go straight to Tier 2. A 5-year-old company selling a lifetime deal is a good sign, even with a thin AppSumo review count so far. Check out the link in my description to learn more about SocialBu. Like and subscribe if you want more indie software reviews. Thanks for watching.